So I'm here buying a ticket for a trip to Mancora. You can't really buy it online because that would be ridiculous.
If you're looking for the best places to retire cheap, that means you're going to be hopping from country to country. As you know, Cuenca, Ecuador is my #1 place in 2018 to retire cheap. If you're looking for options though, Peru is somewhere to explore. How are you going to get there? Here's my step-by-step guide. You're going to need to get a taxi to Terminal Terrestre. If you've been living in Central, then this cab ride should cost under $3. Be careful when you get there. Terminal Terrestre is terribly unsafe. This is the only place where I've had one of my bags stolen. While they have guards there, homeless people hover like vultures waiting for you not to see them. I got my bag stolen when a homeless person came up asking for change. I said no and then looked away. When I looked away, they grabbed my backpack off the ground and ran. Lesson learned, keep eye contact until you see them leave.
So the crazy thing here is you are going to find places that are going to yell out the name of where you're going. It doesn't mean that other places don't go where they are. It just means that they're trying to get some business. It's really weird for those of us who are used to North America where you've got one bus that goes to one place, another that goes to another. Here, the one I've chosen to go with is called Azue. Again, pardon my really bad Spanish. I can't guarantee that this is the best one to go on, but there really aren't any super duper ones here in Cuenca. Yes, it's kind of weird that you have to pay 10 cents to enter the terminal. That's right. The bathrooms here are really disgusting. I don't know what it is. Once you have a paid bathroom, it's like, no one cares. One thing that's really weird here is that you will have to buy internet because they don't have it for free here.
The Azue buses are actually really comfortable. They are not donkey buses.
All right, I'm on the bus. I've got some great tips for you here.
It's going to be cold. Bring a poncho or a jacket. Believe me, even though Ecuador and Peru are hot, the buses are really, really cold.
I've reached the border. It's now 1 a.m. in the morning. I left at 9.
When you get to the border, it's really cool because you're going to do your entry and your exit at the same space. What you will have to watch out for is, though, when you get off, the buses do not stay where they dropped you off. They're going to go like 3 or 4 blocks down. So after you get out, go look for your bus. Remember, you're in Azue. Ask the security guards and the police. They'll tell you where your bus is.
It's 2 a.m. now. Just finished going through borders. It was free, there was no charge, and I got a 180-day pass. So after they get you through, they are going to still have someone check the passports on the bus. You can see this guy's checking passports. Alright, it's 5 a.m. and I am here in Mancora. Quick tip, don't let the cab drivers charge whatever they want. It costs $3 to get to Loki. So what's great is grab a couple beers, wait till your room's open, head to the beach. Stores here are open all the time. They are going to charge you a premium for showing up after hours and when it's illegal to buy drinks. It'll be 22 soles for 2 big beers. So up to you, but this is a great way to wake up or before you go to sleep.
And don't forget, if you want more great info, check out my blog, bestcountriestoretirecheap.com. It's all about where you can retire as a Canadian for $1,000 a month.